It is sweet, but I like the texture.
And sometimes it tastes like cheese.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's in between crunchy and soft, so it's something unique. So, and then it's not dry and not greasy as expected, because when we had this one back in the dormitory, it's like the big one, and it's like in the package, it's full of oil. So wow, it scares us off, but this one, yeah, it's good. It's a bit the same as the fried cake in Vietnam.
Very soft. It tastes like honey.
Like it melts in your mouth.
You like it 약간 more?
Which one do you prefer? Before one or this one? Before one, yeah.
Oh.
That's why it's too oily.
Yes.
It is not a floors, so do you guys like it?
Yeah.
Oh, which one do you prefer? The traditional one or this new one? Yeah, this one. Yeah, exactly.
Because we are modern people.
Yeah.
We also have this one in Vietnam too.
Oh, really?
There's Visayas. We have also the flavor is chicken flavor. And then because it's made in Malaysia, it has the halal logo. So we know it's definitely halal.
Oh.
I love it so much.
Yeah, we really like to a day
For children,
like a week.
Yes.
That is the childhood food.
yes. Oily.
So good.
Good?
And the powder.
Yeah,
Yes.
powder. Be careful.
Oh.
You don't have to finish. Yes.
You
No.
it was stuck inside.
Yes.